taking pictures.
Yeah, 5-second rule. If it's the asphalt, it's okay. Better be a good brother.
Aw, yeah. Cooking the Grill with Jonathan and Chris.
Yeah, USA.
Yeah.
This one we do it Mexicano, right?
Get my tan, Herb. Get my tan.
Yeah, I'm hearing you be loud and clear. They're trying to be like Bobby Flay.
Yeah.
Yeah.
We're grilling and chilling.
Yeah, grilling and chilling. Oh, believe me.
That's an
Yeah.
I'll try to.
Grilling and chilling.
We are playing football. American football.
No, this is the wrong sport today.
No way.
What's wrong with you, Harry?
You're right, you're American.
Come on. That's wrong. Wrong sport today. Ah. Yo, who wants to beat him up, man? B win.
Soccer ball?
No, nah.
I'll throw a football.
Win, yeah.
Boo.
Yeah, La Liga.
No, boo.
Boo.
Ronaldo.
Yo, he just for La Liga.